This time feels like a longest wait for couples waiting for their dream parenthood. But you know what is important here is? It's very important to stay positive and upbeat. Hi, I'm Dr. Rubina, gynecologist and an IVF specialist. And today I will tell you about few coping strategies and tips that will help you fight this 2 weeks wait of your pregnancy test. Number one, limit the number of people you are sharing everything about your IVF cycle. Yes, it's always better to just choose a close circle of people with whom you share about your IVF cycle. Some couples go around and start telling everybody about their IVF cycles, as they think, no news is a bad news. But that actually adds on to the stress. One thing is they will ask why you are not getting pregnant, and also they will keep inquiring about the result. And this will just add to unnecessary stress. Number two, keep yourself occupied and distracted. This 2 weeks wait is a difficult time and it seems like to drag, but you can stay distracted from the situation. This is the time for your hobby. You can be creative, you can create things like art, craft, painting, knitting, photography, singing, cooking, whatever you want to do. But just make sure that you are positive and you are distracted and busy in these activities. All of these can prove to you as a relaxing activities. Number two, organize and declutter. You can organize or declutter your house, your closets, your bookshelf, whatever. Do whatever you feel like, which keeps you distracted. Start decorating your home. Start redecorating your house with your partner. Plan a TV marathon. If you never got time to watch all those Netflix series that your friends have been talking about, then this is the time when you can watch TV. Plan a movie marathon with your partner. You can keep watching your favorite movies, you can download movies, you can enjoy this time together. This will also help you and your partner to bond.